Hi, my name is Rosie Coronado, and in today's video I would like to show you our CRM for Outlook solution for SAP Business One. CRM for Outlook is an integration from VoIP IT where you can do all your customer relation management tasks in Outlook without logging into SAP Business One. You do not have to have the client installed, the SAP client, just as long the server is up running anywhere in the world. You are good to go. It provides instant access to essential information, which will increase sales growth and you will have happy customers. You can add business partners, you can see your KPIs, you can create activities, sales orders, quotes, etc. and so much more. The beauty is all your tasks are real time. As soon as you do any activity in CRM for Outlook, it flows back into your SAP Business One. For example, I have a sales employee traveling in the US and he puts in or she puts in a sales order or a sales quote in CRM for Outlook. That document flows back into SAP right away, and anybody who is in the headquarters, no matter where, as long the server is up running, they can see that document right away. And it also happens the other way around. If anybody puts a document, a sales order, activity, quote, air invoice into SAP Business One, the document will show up in CRM for Outlook right away as an open document. So now let's go into the system and show it to you how it works. So here is my Outlook, and you see I have an email highlighted, and on top you see you have two more tabs. One is the Business Partner tab, and one is My Data tab, and I will get to the My Data tab in a little bit. So CRM for Outlook recognizes Carsten's email address that he is a contact with Machina Corporation, and it pulls up the business partner information. If I go to a different email, you will see it changes because Tim is a contact person with Perimeter Technologies. And that's how you can have your business partner information right here, here on this banner. So what can you see here? If I click back here, you see this is the business partner information, kind of like what you're used to it in SAP Business One. There's your contacts and addresses, there's my properties, and so on. If you click on the address right here, let's say you're traveling and you need to go and visit this customer the next day, it open up on the other screen. I'm pulling it over to this screen. You can go straight to Google Maps and you know where to go the next day. You click on the phone number, you can make a phone call straight from here and use any of your applications here on your PC. Over here you see that the sales years to date, the sales month to date for this business partner. And right here it shows you all the total documents for this business partner, and it gives you some information how many, for example, on the sales opportunities, what you have lost, what you have closed, and so on, and what you have won. You see the outstanding balance right here, and on those bars you see the top 3 items sold for 2019. This goes up to top 5 items sold, but I have only sold 3 items so far to this business partner. What you see right here, this is the contact person information. And if I click here, I can send a Tim an email, like a standalone email, not replying to this one, and the email would open up for me to send him a brand new email. What's the beauty is if you want to send an email maybe to somebody else from his company, maybe to his manager, and so on. You just switch it right here and you click on the envelope, and now the email would go to his manager. You see, this is the title of this contact person, and here is the phone number, which I don't have any for Marcus. Right here you can display the user-defined fields from the contact person. Oops, sorry, I clicked on the wrong thing. This opened up my contact person information. Here you can display the user-defined fields from the contact person, which you also can do over here. You can display the user-defined fields for the business partner. And you just select the UDFs you want to display from here. And those are all your UDFs, in this case from the business partner. If you want to open up the contact person screen, you just click here like I just did earlier. Okay, so this is your business partner information screen. This is your contact person screen. And then you have this here. This is tracking. Tracking means like sticky notes. You want to get back to this email for whatever reason, and you can track it. All you do is you have the email highlighted, you click tracking, and you will see right here on my sticky notes I have 2 trackings now. And if I click on it, this is the email I want to track, and it says right here, hope all is well, because it copies over the body of the email to your sticky note, I call it, to your tracking. And this is really a very good way that you need to go back to it for whatever reason. If you took care of it, you just click on it and you delete the tracking, and you see it will change to 1. You can create new activities, new service calls, sales opportunities, quotations, and sales orders from here. You just go in here, let's go into sales order, because this is our newest feature on the documents, and you put in your due date just like what you're used to in SAP Business One. Then you add your items, your quantities, and so on. Put the same item, and then you just click save and close. And again, this sales order will show up in SAP right away. As I mentioned earlier, as long as the server is up somewhere in the world. Okay, you do not have to have the client installed. If you create an activity, for example, if I click yes here, it also copies the email contents into my activity. You can create a meeting in Outlook. You can invite people to this meeting. So you have the flexibility, just say this is a meeting, it's a general meeting, it's about B1 usability package, print and delivery, then you can invite participants. Okay, that's really very, very nice. You can link documents if you would like to. So you say, okay, this meeting is about a certain error invoice, and then you can attach the document, just like you're used to it in SAP Business One. And then you click save and close, and this will go straight into my Outlook calendar. I know I had a pretty old date, but also my invite screen will come up because I said I would like to invite other people, and I can email it to them. You can also go in here, and what you see here, you see all your open documents. Those are all the documents that are open for this business partner. It's very important you close the old documents out, the old sales opportunities, the old sales quotations. But you can open up, for example, a sales quotation, an open sales quotation, and you have the flexibility to copy this over to a sales order, just like you're used to it in SAP Business One. So you can add lines, you can delete line, and then you click save and close. Very simple, very straightforward. Okay, so you can actually copy quotes to sales order here in CRM for Outlook. So then right here you have reports. So if you have the B1 usability package also, which is a wonderful solution from Boyum IT, you can create your custom reports, and you can pull them up from here. So this one, for example, those are the last 10 items I sold to this business partner. It's almost the same almost. But then if I go to a different email and to a different business partner and I run the same reports, you see it's a little bit different because it looks at the business partner code. But you do need to have the B1 usability package to attach custom reports right here. And then I have one that gives me all the closed and open sales orders. And now I see all the open documents for Machina Corporation because I switched. I switched to a different email, a different contact person came out, which is linked to a different business partner. Okay, so maybe you have an email right here and nothing comes up because this person is not a contact person in SAP Business One. But then you almost can come in here and say, okay, this one is a contact person in SAP. And then you can, oops, I clicked off. Let's try this again. And then you can just go here and put in like 3 letters, and then all the business partners with those 3 letters come up. Or you can create a new business partner straight from here. And then you click OK, and you see right away the business partner information. And this is really nice. Let's say Prodomex has a new employee, a new controller, and they email you, hey, I'm the new controller for this company. What do we owe you? You have it right here. How many invoices do we have open? You have it right here, 3 invoices. So you have everything at your fingertip. You can say, okay, this year you guys bought 21,000 worth of items, but this month you really had a big credit, and so on. So you have everything at your fingertips right here. Also, one thing I want to show you on activities. We already did an activity, but if you have an attachment on an email and you have attachment set up for CRM for Outlook, and you click on create activity, it will automatically attach the attachment from the email. Very nice, a very nice feature. So you have it all in one place. Okay, it will attach. The other thing is if you open up one of your, let's say, a sales order. I'm going to open up a sales order here. You can do on any document, you can create an activity also, which is very common. You need to follow up, or you want to create an activity maybe to your sales employee or to a manager for whatever reason. You can do that straight from the document also, and the beauty is it links that document right away also. So you have a lot of flexibility in here. So this is all business partner related. And you see right here, I'm on Rosie, on myself right now, on an email, and you see matches. So because I am a contact person in different business partners, on different business partners, so I can decide which business partner do I want to work with. And I can pull it up right here. And the same happens if you have more than one database attached. It will show you if I'm a contact person in more than one database, it will give you the same option. Which database would you like to work in? Okay? So if you just want to find a business partner not related to any email or whatsoever, of course, you are able to do that. You just type in part of the name, you look for it. In this case, this is a supplier, and you see all the contact person here, you see all the open items. Of course, you can sort it. You have a lot of flexibility right here. Here you see all the trackings, which this vendor doesn't have any. You can create an activity straight from here, or you can create add a contact to this vendor, and you can just type it in like you most likely do a lot of times. You can add a contact from your Outlook address book. you just pull up your address book and you can choose a contact from there also. So if I go back out of here, so this you can add, you can find a business partner, you have all the information over here, or you can create a new business partner. If I click add business partner, and you see right here I have two databases connected. So which database do you want to create this new business partner? You choose your database, and then right here you just add your business partner. And you see right here you can add a customer, a leader, a supplier. Maybe some of the users don't have access to create a customer or a supplier, only leads. Yes, you can do that. We have our own authorization on our portal. Once you sign up for CRM for Outlook, you get a portal access, and you can create user groups, and you can decide which user can do what in CRM for Outlook. Okay, keep that in mind. So all this is business partner related, as you saw. But then I have this SAP My Data. This is me related, meaning I'm the user, I'm logging on. Of course, my email is linked. I'm a sales employee, and those are all my open sales quotations, all my open sales invoices, and so on. Those are my sales year to date, my sales a month to date, and those are all my total documents. What I like, you see right here, what's overdue. I can do a drop down. This is all overdue. It's a demo database, that's why you see so much. Or what is upcoming? I really like this. So I have an activity upcoming, and then there's my activities. And I can also attach my own reports. So if I click here, this gives me all the customers with their balances. Let's say I'm a manager. I want to have a list of all the customers and balances in my Outlook. Or you can also attach a graph report. It's not very pretty, but so instead of a data report, here is a graph report. You can do that also. So this is all me related, and you see if I click here, different business partners show up. Okay, so keep in mind this is me related as a salesperson, this is customer related. Okay, and of course from here I can create an activity and so on also. Okay, you can customize your view. Of course, let's say in my case I have purchasing visible, but maybe you have nothing to do with purchasing. Just uncheck it and click OK, and you have a little bit more room. Okay, so this is me related, my view. You can create your own views, and this is business partner related. Another thing here I want to show you on the settings is, as you saw when we create an activity here, I can create a meeting in Outlook, and I can invite people, and you can also let CRM for Outlook know if I create an activity, in my case a meeting, in SAP, I want it to synchronize it to my Outlook calendar. So you can do it vice versa. If you're somebody, it also goes into SAP and you do a meeting, you can sync it to your Outlook calendar also. So I hope you enjoyed this session. It's really a great tool, and if you would like to download it as a free trial, please do so. Go to our website. You can download this, a 20-day free trial. Try it out. Use your own data. It makes so much more sense, but I know you won't be disappointed. It's a great product. Just imagine you don't have to VPN to SAP all the time. You have everything you need at your fingertips for your customer relationship management. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.